gentlemen, the wait is finally over. The all-new 2025 Mahindra Thar 5-door has arrived, and it's bigger, bolder, and better than ever. Whether you're an off-road enthusiast or looking for a practical SUV with rugged appeal, this latest addition to Mahindra's lineup has something for everyone. Welcome to Auto Universe, and today, we take an in-depth look at the Thar 5-door, design, features, performance, and everything in between. Let's dive in. The 5-door version of the Thar builds on the iconic design of its 3-door sibling but with major enhancements. The most obvious difference: the longer wheelbase. Mahindra has stretched the SUV to accommodate 2 additional doors, improving accessibility and interior space. At the front, the 2025 Thar retains its signature 7-slat grille, but it now features a more refined design with chrome accents. LED headlights and DRLs are sharper and more modern, while the chunky front bumper and wide stance give it an aggressive road presence. On the side, the larger 18-inch alloy wheels, flared wheel arches, and squared-off stance emphasize its off-road DNA. The rear now features updated LED taillights and a larger tailgate-mounted spare wheel, reinforcing its rugged appeal. Overall, the new design maintains the Thar's adventurous spirit but adds a more premium and practical touch. Step inside, and you'll instantly notice that the Thar 5-door feels more spacious than ever. Thanks to its extended length, the rear seats now offer more legroom, making long journeys far more comfortable. The dashboard design is inspired by the 3-door model but gets some premium updates. The 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment system now supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and Mahindra has also included a fully digital instrument cluster. For safety, the Thar 5-door comes equipped with 6 airbags, ABS with EBD, ESP, Hill Hold Assist, and ISOFIX child seat anchors, making it one of the safest off-road SUVs in its segment. Under the hood, the 2025 Thar 5-door offers 2 engine options, a 2.2 LM hot diesel and a 2.0 LM Stallion turbo petrol. Both engines are mated to either a 6-speed manual or a 6-speed automatic transmission. The diesel variant produces 132 PS and 320 Nm of torque, while the petrol variant churns out 150 PS and 320 Nm. Both versions come with 4x4 capability, featuring low-range gearing, mechanical locking differentials, and an improved suspension setup for superior off-road performance. With its longer wheelbase, Mahindra has fine-tuned the suspension to improve on-road stability while keeping its off-road prowess intact. The biggest question: how much does it cost? While Mahindra has yet to officially reveal the pricing, industry experts predict it will be in the range of 15 rupees minus 22 lakh ex-showroom depending on the variant. Given its blend of off-road ability, space, and modern features, the Thar 5-door is shaping up to be a game-changer in the lifestyle SUV segment. So, is the 2025 Mahindra Thar 5-door the perfect off-road SUV? If you want a car that's tough, stylish, and now more practical than ever, this could be the one for you. What do you think about the new Thar? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe to Auto Universe, and turn on notifications for more exciting car reviews. Until next time, drive safe and stay adventurous.